We'll be focusing more on a look at the effect that the directive by the Council of Governors to suspend non-essential services at the county level, what that effect has had to the counties today, because it was to take effect today. But there are counties that have said they will defy this directive by the Council of Governors, especially the chairman, Wycliffe Oparanya. The senators had enough to say about that because they're in a full dispute of this, saying that it is even an impeachable offense. Now, Mandera County is one of those that are defying this call. They will not be shutting down despite the directive by the Council of Governors to all the governors to shut down non-essential county services over the Senate stalemate on the new county revenue sharing formula. This latest COG directive has opened a new battleground with the senators.
This Thursday will mark the first day of the county's shutdown on all non-essential services in what the Council of Governors has said is due to lack of money to fund their operations due to the failure by the Senate to settle on a new formula to share the 316.5 billion shillings to the counties. According to COG, governors are required to suspend all non-essential services and have the county employees proceed on leave for 2 weeks. County health facilities will not permit new inpatient admissions and will only provide minimal outpatient services. The county workers are now facing tougher times ahead with no money to pay their August salaries, even with some of them having not been paid for the last 2 months. But some of the governors seem apprehensive towards the shutdown. Mandera Governor Ali Roba, through a statement to Newsroom, says Mandera County will continue offering full services to the residents despite the meager resources. Roba says he does not support the war with the Senate and that all his staff will be on duty despite the cash crisis. While meeting the Senate leadership on Wednesday in an effort to end the stalemate, President Uhuru Kenyatta, in the presence of ODM leader Raila Odinga, promised to add 50 billion shillings on top of the current shareable amount of 316 billion shillings. Governors now want Treasury to immediately release 50% of their previous budget allocation to cater for their current operations as Senate tries to unlock the revenue stalemate. A 12-member Senate committee that was formed to unlock the stalemate met early morning and is expected to present their resolution to Akamukunji this afternoon to secure consensus before the matter is tabled on the floor of the House. Vincent Odur, NTV.
Well, we've heard that Mandera is one of those defying that directive. Machakos County Governor has also been clear on his stand on this, as well as Makueni County. Let's look at the situation in Kisumu, where Governor Anyang' Nyong'o has asked all county staff to take leave with immediate effect, only allowing those in specific departments in the health sector and revenue collection to continue discharging their duties. Oko Kusa, this seems, the order that is, seems to be heeded in Kisumu.
Well, Mark, of course, yes, that order seems to have taken effect here in Kisumu. It's a shutdown as far as the governor is concerned, apart from some specific departments, as you mentioned there in the health department, where he has only allowed inpatient services to go on, and saying that the county will be organizing for a couple of doctors and nurses to attend to those who are admitted, who are still in the inpatient wing. And of course also saying that as far as outpatient is concerned, they are only going to be attending to emergency cases. That is, if you are in need of emergency care, those are the people that they'll be attending to. Otherwise, he has advised that the rest of those residents seeking services in the outpatient departments to look for those services elsewhere. And at the same time, the governor says that all the county health facilities will remain open but will only be giving out those services that I've just listed there. Besides that, he has also singled out the Revenue Collection Department and the Law Enforcement Department. That's two. And finally, the ICT services, which he says will remain open to offer services to residents as the shutdown continues. So that is what we are getting from Prosperity House. That is where the governor sits. And of course, in case there is more development, we'll be able to inform our viewers as the day goes by. But so far, that is what is happening. It's a shutdown here in Kisumu. And of course, we will be keeping you updated. Back to you, Mark.